keep on your thighs, between the thighs, right? Let us practice the Chakra Dhyana. Mooladhara Chakra, it is 4 petals, color is red color, its purpose is survival, it is of Prithvi nature. So to visualize the color, it stays at the base of your spine. Let us chant its Mool Mantra Lam 21 times. Start all of you. Lam, 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 Lam. Relax. Now let us go to second chakra, Swadhisthana. Its color is orange color. Its purpose is creativity, water element, excretory organs, reproductive system. All these are activated. It is of 6 petals. Color is orange color. Its Mool Mantra is 1. Let us practice 21 times. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Relax. Let us move to third chakra, Manipura. It is 2 inches above the nabi. Its color is yellow color. Its purpose is digestive system will be working properly. Willpower will be increased. It is of 10 petals. Its Mool Mantra is Ram. Let us practice 21 times. Ram, 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 Ram. Relax. Next chakra is Anahata chakra. So this is heart chakra, which is circulates the blood circulation is properly maintained. It gives love and affection.
Sir, వినిపించట్లేదు సార్.
It stays backside of your heart on the spine. It is of 12 petals. Let us visualize this chakra and color. Its Mool mantra is Yam. Let us practice 21 times. Yam, 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 Yum, 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 yum. Relax. Next chakra is Vishuddhi. Its color is blue color. It stays backside of your throat. It activates your throat and respiratory system. It is of 16 petals. Visualize the color and chakra and place. Let us practice its Mool mantra. Hum. 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 Next chakra, Agnya chakra, which stays between your two eyebrows. It is of 2 petals. It is indigo color. It is for wisdom and nervous system are activated. Let us practice and visualize this chakra and practice its Mool mantra Om 21 times. Om. 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 Relax. The last chakra, Sahasrar chakra, which is on the crown of your head. Its color is violet color, thousand petals, chakra. It will connect to the God and endocrine system is activated. Let us practice. Its Mool mantra is nothing but Omkar. Practice in the mind. Don't utter it. Just be silent. Now the state is thoughtless state. Focus on your breath. Rub your palm. Keep on your eyes. Massage your eyes. Massage your face. Sit in comfortable position, back straight. Let us chant Gayatri Mantra. Being Jnana Mudra. Om Bhurbhuvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Na Prachodayat. Om Trayambakam Yajamahe Sugandhim Pustivardhanam Urvarukamiva Bandhanat Mrityor Mokshiyamamruta. Open your eyes. Stretch your both legs forward. Stretch both your legs forward. Inhale, exhale. Inhale forward, exhale backward. Continue. Each one you have to practice 11 times. Fold your fingers. Fold your fingers. Inhale and fold. Fold and inhale. Continue 11 times. Rotate your both feet. Inhale up, exhale down. Repeat 11 times. Reverse. Legs apart. Again rotate. Reverse. Right and left. Fold your left leg. Fold your left leg. Fold your left leg. Inhale. Move your right leg to out. Out. Inhale. Out. Inhale. Continue 11 times. Touch the feet to the ground. Again repeat. Inhale out. Inhale out. Repeat 11 times. Change the leg. Fold your right leg. Left leg. Inhale out. Inhale out. Repeat 11 times. Touch the feet to the ground. Again repeat. Inhale out. Inhale out. Repeat 11 times. Butterfly. Butterfly. Ustrasana. Ustrasana. Catch hold of your waist. Bend backward. Inhale. Try to touch your ankle. Up to which extent it is possible, you bend backward. It will strengthen your back, increases concentration, oxygen levels are increased. Hold it for some time as per your capacity. So stretch your feet, touching the ground, hold your hands, inhale back. Stay for some time as per your capacity. Slowly come back to comfortable position. In any asana, Sukhasana, Vajrasana is this. Sukhasana, comfortable position, right? Any asana, you can sit, right? So let us practice Bastrika for 5 minutes. Be in Ganesh Mudra, interlock last 4 fingers. Right thumb is above, left thumb is below. So let us inhale and exhale fully. Let us practice for 5 minutes, which will increases your lungs capacity. Continue back straight, close your eyes, continue. This Ganesh Mudra will clear your obstacles in your life. Butterfly, butterfly. This butterfly will give flexibility at the ankle, knees, and thigh joint. Kapalabhati, sit in comfortable position, whatever it is possible. Try to be Vajrasan, a little slant forward, palm touching the ground, inward, exhale. Simultaneously, you pull your stomach along with Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Continue, continue for 5 minutes. Don't stop. Continue. This Kapalabhati activates all your glands of stomach and balances the glands. Due to imbalance of the glands, you are getting health problems. So this is a powerful technique which will relieve 90% of your health problems. Continue. Butterfly. Butterfly. Sit in comfortable position, Ujjayi Pranayama. Be in Vayu Mudra, folding your pointing finger inside. All other fingers are straight. Keep on your knees. Inhale to nostrils by tightening your throat, making sound which will activate your thyroid gland, which is a main gland to control all other glands. Inhale first. Head down, hold it. Come back, close your right nostril, exhale from left. Let us repeat 2 more times. One more time. Come back, exhale from left, closing right. Bahya pranayama, exhale first, then Triban. Exhale, pull your extremity organs up, stomach inside, head down. Hold it as per your capacity. This is Triban interlocking the main organs of your body. That is safeguarding your main organs. Inhale, come back. Again, repeat 2 more times. Exhale fast, 3 burn. Inhale, come back. One more time. Exhale fast. Pull your excretory organs up. That is Mool burn. Pull your stomach inside. Udian burn. Fold your head down. Jalandhar burn. Hold it as per your capacity. If you cannot, come back. Agnisar, exhale fast, then movement to stomach. Let us repeat it 3 times. Exhale fast, start. Inhale, come back. Again, one more time. Exhale fast, then movement to stomach. Inhale, come back. Again, exhale fast, movement to stomach. Butterfly, butterfly. So let us break for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, again rejoin. All of you log out from the Zoom and rejoin after 3 minutes.